let's do a quick lesson on Little Wing by Jimi Hendrix. This is the intro. There's a lot of complicated rhythmic stuff going on here, and I won't explain all that, or try to, but I'm just going to go through it real quick and play each part slowly, so you could just hear the rhythm. It's basically goes back and forth between swinging eights and straight eights. Lots of grace notes, and the other two things real quick are, if you're going to play along with this or with the recording, you need to tune down to E flat. So basically that just means tuning all of your strings down by a half step. The other thing is Hendrix used his thumb a lot on the 6th string. I don't, because I'm not very adept at it. I do occasionally when I absolutely have to. The advantage of doing it, if you can, is that you can allow the 6th string notes to sustain more and ring out over the other notes you're playing. So let's get started. We start off with muffled strings. Kind of gives you that percussive sound. Downstroke, and then on the upstroke, the chord you play is basically all on the 12th fret. You're going to have to mute a few strings so you can't bar it. That's why I've got all 4 fingers squinched up in here. You've got 12th fret 6th string, 4th string, 2nd string, and 1st string. So again, muffle the strings. On the upstroke, play the chord, slide down, 6th string open, staccato. So then 2 more downstroke and an upstroke with muffled strings. Then hammer on from the open 5th string to the 2nd fret. Then open 3rd string. Then 5th fret, 4th and 5th strings. Hammer on to the 7th fret, 5th string. Then the 3rd and 4th strings at the 5th fret. Play that twice, and on the 2nd time, a quick hammer on to the 7th fret, 4th string. So it's going to sound like. Okay, so all that together is. Alright, then the next section, start off in 3rd position. You're going to play the 3rd fret, 6th string. Here's an example where Hendrix would have used his thumb. 3rd fret, 6th string. Then the 3rd string open, then you bar the 3rd fret 1st and 2nd string, okay, and then you hammer on 5th to the 5th fret 1st string, and then pull back off to the 3rd fret, and then you play those 2 strings again. So, then 3rd string open, then the 3rd string 4th fret, 2nd string 3rd fret. You play that, but you quickly hammer on to the 5th fret 3rd string. Okay, so all that is. And then you go 5th fret 3rd string, 4th fret, 5th fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 4th string. Then you go to 5th position. So I'd go ahead, if you're not going to use your thumb, go ahead and bar all the strings on the 5th fret. So 5th fret 6th string, 5th fret 4th string, 7th fret, 5th fret 5th string, so 7th fret 5th string, 3rd fret, 3rd string 5th fret, so then back to the 7th fret 5th string, then 2nd and 3rd strings 5th fret, quick hammer on to the 7th fret 3rd string. Then a quick staccato note at the 7th fret on the 4th string. So all that together is. Alright, and then we've got 5th fret 5th string, 7th fret 5th string, 5th fret 4th string, with a hammer on from the 5th string 5th fret to the 7th fret. So we got. On the 6th string, slide down, 6th string open. I go ahead and bar across 5 strings here at the 7th fret, and the first 2 notes you're going to play are 7th fret 3rd string, 8th fret 2nd string, quick hammer on to the 10th fret 2nd string, back to the 7th fret and 8th fret, play that twice. Power chord here, 7th fret 5th string, 4th fret 9th 7th fret, 5th string, 9th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, 4th and 5th string. Then you've got the 10th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 4th string. Then the 7th fret, 3rd and 4th strings. You play that twice. And then the second time you play it quickly, hammer on to the 9th fret on the 4th string. Then back to the 7th fret, 3rd and 4th strings. Then back to the 10th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 4th string. Then back to the 7th fret, 4th and 5th strings. So all that together is from the slide down to the open E. Stay in 7th position, bar across the strings, 7th fret on the 6th string, 9th fret on the 4th string, 7th fret on the 3rd string. Then you've got the 7th fret on the 2nd string, 9th fret on the 1st string. And kind of back to the 9th fret on the 4th string, 7th fret on the 3rd string. Then we're back to the 7th fret, 2nd string, 9th fret, 1st string. Then the 7th fret on the 2nd and 3rd string with a quick hammer onto the 10th fret on the 2nd string. And then 7th fret on the 1st and 2nd strings. Alright, and then you slide down one fret to the 6th position. 6th fret on the 6th string. 8th fret, 5th string. Alright, so, and then 7th fret, 8th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, 3rd string. Play those two together, so basically you're just making a B flat chord here. So. Then we're in 5th position, 5th fret, 6th string. Then we've got the 7th fret on the 4th string and the 5th fret on the 3rd string. Then 9th fret, and we'll stretch here, 9th fret on the 4th string and still have the 5th fret on the 3rd string. Then back to 7 and 5. Then 5 and 5. Sorry. Then 8th fret on the 5th string, 5th fret on the 4th string. Then 7th fret on the 5th string, 5th fret on the 4th string. 5th fret on the 3rd and 4th string. 7th fret, 4th string, 5th fret, 3rd string. Then 5th fret on the 3rd and 4th string. Hammer on from the 5th fret, 6th string to the 7th fret, 6th string. And then we've got the 3rd fret, 6th string. Again, here's a case where Hendrix would have used his thumb. So 5th fret, 6th string, then I'm going to have to let go of that. Hendrix would have been able to hold on to it and sustain it over these other notes. Then I'm going to play the 5th fret on the 4th string and the open 3rd string, so 2 G's. Then we've got a chord that is, it's 5th fret, 4th string, open 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 1st string, and quickly slide that chord shape up 2 frets. So, and then strum it back in its original position, open 6th string, then play the chord again in its original position and slide it down 2 frets. Okay. Now here's where I do have to use my thumb. So I wrap my thumb around and play the 1st fret, 6th string. Then I strum that chord a couple more times. So that part all together is. Okay, then a quick hammer on from the open 5th string to the 3rd fret, 5th string. I use my pinky because I'm going to need my other fingers for the next chord. next chord would be, it's basically like a C chord, but you're adding the 6, you're adding the 2nd fret 3rd string. So hammer on to the 3rd fret 5th string, and then you play the 4th string 2nd fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 1st fret. Strum that a few times. 1 and 2. And then I take my pinky and I hammer on to the 3rd fret 2nd string. And then back to the original chord. Then I shift really quickly to get my my 1st finger on the 3rd fret 5th string and slide up to the 5th fret 5th string. So all that together is. Okay, and then we've got a power chord here. So 5th fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 7th fret, 4th string. 4th string, 5th string, 4th string, 5th string, 4th string. You just kind of play back and forth between those two. And then bar the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings at the 7th fret. Quick hammer onto the 9th fret 4th string. Then you play the bar twice again. Then 10th fret on the 5th string, along with the 3 strings you're barring at the 7th fret. Then bar all 4 of the middle strings, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings, and then the 9th fret on the 5th string, along with the ones you're barring, and slide down. So that part altogether is